So we're trying something a little bit different today. Here's a video of an attempt on lurien. So we're starting up by the Lac de Fabrège near Artoust, which is a little skiing resort, way up on the Portelet, and you can just about make out the cable car station at the top of the hill, which is where the tram d'Artoust runs from. So we're going to be heading way up over that ridge, and it's 1600 metres of ascent, and the total trip is 12k, so I reckon that's about a 1 in 4 average ascent. So we'll see, but it looks pretty steep from here. Anyway, I'll be dropping in a few times on the route, and hopefully it'll be an interesting video. Well, it's time for a little break. As you can see, already getting up quite high from the lake, but it's tough work, I've got to say. It's very, very steep and rocky and kind of unrelenting, but the views are pretty good. Just been climbing up by the edge of this little stream. It's got beautiful wildflowers everywhere, and hopefully they're going to come out on this video, and hopefully also you're going to be able to hear me about the noise of the stream, because it's quite a loud one here. Anyway, I'm just taking a 5 minutes breather, and then I guess it's onwards and upwards. So I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so I've escaped from the forest now, and as usual, once you get up a little way into the Pyrenees, you come to huge open plateaus. So here is one, and way in the distance, just about there, you can see the lurien, which is where I'm going with a bit of luck. Now there's a bit of snow on it, on the lower slopes. I've got an idea I'll go up to the left of that, so hopefully we're going to be able to get up there. Obviously we won't know till we're a lot closer, and it'd be a real shame to go all that way and not be able to make it, but that's the way it goes up here. You have to go with the weather, so we'll see in a little bit. Anyway, there's a nice view for now, and we're just here by a little spring, which is feeding that river that we were standing by earlier, and it's a very pretty little spot. Okay, I'm going to head on upwards now, and I'll report back again in a little bit. Well, we're getting higher. We'll be going about an hour now. And as you can see, I've made it across that big plateau. We're now up amongst the snow and the cows. Way in the distance you can see Pic du Gers and Amulat, and then around that way a little bit, I guess must be Pic du Sesque and some of the other 2,900 metre peaks. Now, as you can see, I've just come across a flat bit, which is great, but the bad news is, to maintain the 1 in 4 average ascent, I've now got to go up a nice steep bit. So I'll probably head up there, stop somewhere up there for a bit of a rest, and I'm hoping at the top I'm going to be close to the Lac du Lurien, in which case I'll stop for a little bit more filming. Anyway, back to the walking. Well, here's a bit of a treat. We're up at the Lac du Lurien, and it's absolutely beautiful up here. It's a little hollow carved out, I guess, by glaciers. It's got a lake, it's got its own private herd of cows, superb views, and all the way down there you can just about make out the railway line from the tram d'Artoust. There are also some cows here on their own little private island having a rest and chewing. So we're doing pretty well. I think I'm just about over halfway up now, and it's all looking good. So I'll see if I can find some more scenic spots later on the way and fill you in as I go. Well, I'm just at another lake here, which actually might be Lake Lurien. A bit hard to tell from the map which of those two lakes was. Just had to come up a fairly snowy gully, and as you can see it's getting quite a lot snowier up here. But anyway, I just thought I'd show you this lake and how beautiful the water is. No idea if the colours are going to come out on this camera, but it's beautiful and clear, and absolutely fantastic little alpine, well, Pyrenean I guess, lake scene. So as I say, it's looking quite snowy up there. Got to go up that ridge that goes up just to the left of the summit. So I'm out of the deep snowy gully that's way over to the left, but I'm not entirely sure whether I'm going to be in that snow on the right, in which case I'm not going to be getting up there today. But anyway, first thing I've got to do is get around the top of this lake, across that snow bank, above the snow bank, out on the right hand side of the stream and up to the col, and then once I'm up at the col du Lurien, I should get a pretty good view from up there anyway. If I can't get any further, well, it's not the end of the world, but I'll probably carry on up a little bit to the bottom of that snow bank and have a look at it, see if that's going to be passable or not. So, well, wish me luck. Here we go. Well, this is the end of the route for today. So the route goes up that ridge line, up to the peak, which is centre shot now. And if I could get to that ridge, it's pretty straightforward walking. There's a very steep bank of snow here. And just around the corner, which you can't see, is a little chimney that's also full of snow. Plus the fact it's starting to rain now. So that really means that although it might be possible to get up there, it's not going to happen today. Which is a bit of a shame. Spent probably 2.5–3 hours getting up here. Probably only another 45 minutes to the top, but there you go, that's one for another day. Anyway, meantime, enjoy the view, the rain. Back down the valley I came up, and then across on this side, we are Toost Valley, and away round to the left is Siseu. And over that way somewhere, probably behind this peak, would be Peak du Saisy, Peak du Jure, and all those guys. Anyway, rain, time for waterproofs, maybe take a few more photos, and then I'm getting out of here. That'll be it for today, so maybe I'll do another video next time I try it, and you'll be able to see what it looks like from the top.